Hello friends, welcome to your own YouTube channel, your own Pathshala, Jyotishala. Welcome to the series of our channel, that is Merchant of Venice. Friends, we have already started with Act 1 Scene 3 and we have completed with Act 1 Scene 1 and Act 1 Scene 2. Now friends, today we will be doing from Act 1 Scene 3, line number explanations from line number 30 to 40. Yes friends, now before moving to the main text, I will tell you one thing. Now friends, if you have any queries or you have any doubt from Act 1 Scene 1 and Act 1 Scene 2, you can drop me in the comment section so that I can help you out personally. And friends, if you do like our channel, then please like and share with your friends. And also, if you have not subscribed my channel until now, then do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button. Okay friends, so let's move with the main text, that is explanations from line number 30 to 40. So moving with Bassanio's speech in line number 30. What Bassanio has to say? Bassanio says that, be assured you may. Bassanio says this to Shylock. Bassanio says that, be assured you may take this bond. You be assured that you will be taking this bond. You be sure that you will be signing this bond. Now moving further with Shylock's speech in line number 31 to 32. Shylock says, I will be assured I may and that I may be assured. Shylock is just making twists and turn with his words. He's saying that I will surely take this bond. I will be surely signing this bond. He's just making twists and turns with his own words. Now Shylock further says in his speech, I will bethink me. May I speak with Antonio? He says that, let me think over the bond once again and can I speak to Antonio about this bond? So this is what is said by Shylock to Bassanio. Moving further with Bassanio's speech in line number 33. Bassanio says, if it please you to dine with us. Bassanio is inviting Shylock for a dinner tonight. He is inviting Shylock in his lines. Now Shylock further says in his speech in line number 34 to 40. Now Shylock says, yes, to smell pork, to eat of the habitation which your prophet the Nazarite conjured the devil into. Now here an old reference has been made and a story is related to this. Now what is the story behind this? Now यहाँ पर शायलॉक कहता है, बेसानियो से इनवाइट करता है, शायलॉक को इनवाइट करता है कि शायलॉक तुम आप हमारे साथ डिनर पर आज रात को हमारे साथ डिनर कीजिए. पर शायलॉक कहता है कि शायलॉक उसे टॉन्ट करता है, शायलॉक उसे सरकास्टिकली कहता है कि हाँ हमें वो पिग के पोर्क का स्मेल लेने के लिए जो कि पिग का स्मेल ज्यूज को प्रोहिबिटेड था. ज्यूज जो है वो पिग का पोर्क या पिग का मीट जो है वो नहीं खाते थे, उनको मना था पिग का मीट खाना, और जो क्रिश्चियंस थे वो पिग का मीट जरूर खाते थे. ना इसमें एक पुरानी स्टोरी रिलेटेड है, इससे एक पुरानी स्टोरी इसमें रिलेट की गई है. वो स्टोरी यह है कि जो जीसस क्राइस्ट थे, जो कि क्रिश्चियंस के भगवान थे, जो क्रिश्चियंस के गॉड थे, उन्होंने एक नेजराइट जगह के रहने वाले एक पागल आदमी को ठीक किया था, हील किया था. उन्होंने उस व्यक्ति के अंदर जो भी शैतान था या जो भी उसके अंदर जो इंसान था, जो भी शैतान था उस आदमी के अंदर, तो उसे जीसस क्राइस्ट ने ऑर्डर दिया था उस शैतान को कि वो शैतान निकल के पिग्स जो है सुअरों के झुंड में चला जाए. तो इस कारणवश जो शैतान जो है वो उस पागल आदमी से निकलकर सुअरों के झुंड में चला जाता है. तो इस कारणवश ज्यूज जो है ये मानते हैं कि सुअरों में शैतान रहता है, इसीलिए उनको शैतान को जो कि सुअर में शैतान रहता है, इसीलिए जो सुअर के मीट खाना ज्यूज के लिए बिल्कुल भी प्रोहिबिटेड है. उसके उपरांत क्रिश्चियंस जो है वे बड़े शौक से सुअर का मीट खाते हैं. तो इसीलिए वो कहता है कि तुम लोग तो क्रिश्चियंस हो और तुम लोग सुअर का मीट तो अवश्य खाओगे, और मुझे तो बिल्कुल मना है, मैं तो उसे नहीं खा सकूंगा, क्योंकि तुम्हारे भगवान ने तुम्हारे जो भगवान हैं जो जीसस क्राइस्ट है, उन्होंने शैतान को सुअरों में डाल दिया था. इस कारणवश हम तो उसे खा नहीं सकते, हमारे लिए तो ये प्रोहिबिटेड है. So this is what is said by the explanation given by Shylock to Bassanio that he cannot have dinner with him. Shylock cannot have dinner with him because the devil stays in the pigs, in the group of pigs, or stays in the pig, so he cannot have dinner with Bassanio. Now Shylock further says in his speech, Shylock says, I will buy with you, sell with you, talk with you, walk with you, and so forth following, but I will not eat with you, drink with you, nor pray with you. What news on the Rialto? Who is he comes here? This is what is said by Shylock further in his speech. Now what does Shylock mean to say? Shylock mean to say that I will buy with you. मैं तुम्हारे साथ खरीदारी करूँगा, मैं कुछ भी चीज़ तुम्हारे साथ खरीदूँगा, बेचूँगा, मैं तुम्हारे साथ उठूँगा, बैठूँगा, मैं तुम्हारे साथ सब कुछ करूँगा, लेकिन खाना जो है वो मैं तुम्हारे साथ नहीं खा सकता, और भगवान की प्रार्थना भी जो है वो मैं तुम्हारे साथ नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि तुम्हारा भगवान दूसरा है और मेरा भगवान दूसरा, यानी कि हम लोग का जो खान पान है वो हमारे एक दूसरे से मैच नहीं करता, और जो भगवान की प्रार्थना भी जो हम करते हैं वो भी तुम्हारे साथ मेरा मैच नहीं करता, इसीलिए आई कैन नॉट ईट एंड प्रे विथ यू, अदरवाइज आई कैन डू एवरीथिंग विथ यू. So this is what is said by Shylock. Shylock further mean to say that what news do you have on the Rialto? That is, और आगे क्या समाचार है, जो Rialto स्टॉक एक्सचेंज है वहाँ पर और आगे के क्या समाचार है ये भी तुम मुझे बताओ. This is what is said by Shylock. Shylock further says, who is he that comes here? तभी देखते हैं कि किसी की एंट्री होती है तो Shylock कहता है कौन है जो. Now we all know that this is a stage performance is being done, a scene is created. So here we see the entry of we see that Shylock can see that entry of a character is being made. So he is asking that who is he coming on the stage, or who is he that is approaching on the scene, in the scene. So this is what is, so we will be seeing the entry of Antonio here. So who is he that comes here? This is what is asked by Shylock, that who is entering into the stage. So this is, here we will see the entry of Antonio. Friends, we'll stop here in this video. That is, this was the explanation from line number 30 to 40. Hope this is very clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can drop me in the comment section. And also, if you want important question and answers from some important extracts, you can drop in the comment section so that I can help you out personally. Yes, friends, for the upcoming videos, stay tuned.